Hello everybody, I'm Nicolas, and today we're going to talk about the DMG Dash, which is a new addition to the MIX series of light at Rosco. So the DMG Dash is a handheld, battery-operated, pocket-sized LED. It's shockproof and weatherproof and has the MIX light engine inside. The DMG Dash comes with a carrying case, two mounting options, baby pin to 1/4-inch screw adapter, a magnet mount as well. It also comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging. And then we have a full diffuser, gel holder, neck crate, and my favorite, the dome. There we go. More than that, we have a quad kit, which is really awesome. It's a really 4 single kits together in its own carrying case that you see here, and a quad link. So the quad kit is great for 3-point lighting, but it's also perfect if you want something a little bit stronger and punchier. You can attach all 4 dashes together, giving you the intensity of a 1x1. So it's really easy to assemble. It's just a thumb screw, so it takes really seconds to assemble and disassemble. To control the quad kit, or the single kit for that matter, we have a free app called myMIX. It's available on Android and iOS. And let me show it to you right now. So I am in the app. I've created a group called Quad, group of 4 lights. And then I have a very easy user interface to be able to control all 4 together. So now they're doing all 4 together the same thing. There we go. Thank you.